Welcome, y'all, and thanks for watching us. Yeah, I was asked by a guy to come out and help him. He had a cow problem. He had some expensive calves. Behind his fence, when I got set up, there was what I thought was a dog. So I didn't get him on video, but when I got done with that stand, I texted him, and he said his dogs were in the house. I could have got him, but my caller remote was dead. I went to town, I got some batteries, I came back out, and this is the coyote that was behind the fence. Remember that fenced-in enclosure at the top of the screen for the next coyote.
Woo! Woo woo!
Yeah, this coyote was in the beginning stages of mange. Still had all its hair, but you could tell it was beginning. My buddy Adam don't get to hunt much. He went to Disneyland with the family. Of course, I had to rub it in. I sent him some pictures, and here's what I got.
Damn you, Alan.
Of course, I set up for wind on this stand behind this enclosure, and it didn't happen like I wanted it to, but we got it done. I don't know what caused the flicker in the camera, but yeah, he ran a little ways after I shot him, but he left a trail. If you want to know how much wind we have from time to time, look at the corn stubble and leaves stuck in that fence.
Woo! Woo!